Welcome back to the RV Rundown, the segment where we take a quick look at some of the hottest floor plans on the market today. I'm your host, Barry, and today I'm coming at you from the Southern RV Sales Lot, standing inside a 2022 Crossroads Volante 32FB. The FB stands for front bunk. What they've done is they've taken a traditional bunkhouse floor plan and flipped it on its head. They have put the master bedroom in the very back and the bunk room up front. There's two slides on this unit. One of them contains the bed slide for the master bedroom. We're going to start there because it's behind me and it's kind of cool. So let's wander back and check it out. By putting the bed on a slide, and by the way, it's a king bed, they really open up this floor plan. A big king bed with storage up above, nightstands on either side, USB ports down low to charge your phone up. Really makes for a big floor plan. This is 50 amp service, so there is a second AC dedicated back to the back right here. For storage in the bedroom, we have, in the traditional sense, some underbed storage with a strut assist lift, as well as some closet space right here at the foot of the bed with shelving up high. Nice big more closet space down low, a 3-drawer chest of drawer, and we have the ability to hook up a TV in here by mounting it to the wall above the window. There's all of our access points for power and cable in, and notice that this has a second entry door where it comes directly into the bedroom. The bathroom can be accessed from two places, one from the master bedroom right here, or two from the hallway. This bathroom is actually pretty spacious for what it is. We have our foot flush toilet down low, plenty of cabinet space here in terms of like medicine cabinet that we see up above. And then left and right of the sink down low, we have even more storage. So putting some towels and sundries and other things is not going to be an issue. We've got plenty of counter space, and the shower's nice and big as well. I love the herringbone pattern that they've put on the walls there. I think that's kind of nice. Pushing out into the main living area, right here beside the main bedroom, we have some kind of pantry space is what I'm going to call it. In terms of what we get out of this is multiple shelves. You could add to that if you wanted to once it's yours. And then as we move into our combined living room and kitchen, we find a big U-shaped dinette. I like this because when it drops into a bed, it's big enough for myself at 6'3" to sleep on. The couch also converts into a bed. It's just a jackknife. Our kitchen is L-shaped. It's got plenty of counter space thanks to the glass surface tops as well as the sink covers. Those sink covers, if we lift them, reveal a dual basin stainless steel sink. So nice and large there. In addition to that, we have a typical microwave and our 12-volt EverChill refrigerator. Across from our couch, we have our entertainment center. The entertainment center is set up to host a nice big flat screen TV. We've got a sound bar that comes with it, electric fireplace down low that puts out plenty of heat, some storage down below that for putting in some shoes or whatever else you can think of. And then this door leads right to our front bunk room. The front bunk room here is nice because it's quite big. It has plenty of closet space. But what really is going on here that I think is cool is it features two full-size bunks. And these full-size bunks are big enough for me to lay down in, and I have at least a foot of headroom above my head here, no problem. And somebody else could be easily sleeping next to me. So I can see 4 people, adults even, fitting into this bunk room without much issue. As we step out, notice that right by our entry door, we have our control panel. The control panel has standardized buttons, so it's really easy to use. Everything's clearly labeled. And then there's one more thing I want to show you on this, is that they've equipped it with a little bit of an outside kitchen. So let's pop out there and take a look. Before we get to the outside kitchen, which is conveniently located right here by the entry door, I want to point out that this has a big pass-through storage that is accessible from both sides, hence the term pass-through. It has electric jacks down low, Solid step entry. They've incorporated a cool little bottle opener right here by the door that also doubles as a pet leash. This has a big one-piece electric awning that rolls out at the touch of a button, so that's kind of cool. It is something we see on a lot of travel trailers, but again, it's a nice feature. Right here by the entry though, we have a hot point electric refrigerator, just extending our refrigeration space and making a spot for quick access to drinks and snacks right here under the patio side. And if we roll this out, we'll find that we have a double burner gas stove. That's kind of nice because we can be out here cooking in the morning under the awning. And then in addition to that, we do have a single point of access for LP out here. So if you didn't want to run that stove, you could use that to power a gas grill or something of that nature. Guys, I hope you really like this quick tour of the Volante 32FB. We've got it here at Southern RV in McDonough, Georgia. Feel free to come on out and see us. We're just south of Atlanta on I-75 between exits 216 and 218, or you can give us a call at 770-477-0552. Until next time, guys, as always, happy camping.